Hey, let's dive into how to add a new section from Make. I'll walk you through step by step. Let's start by parsing the JSON. Simply click on Parse JSON. You'll need to add the scripts. This is the script, title, subtitle, text, and also you can add formatting options like bold, italic, strike through, color, underline, return, section index. Now let's move on to the next step, aggregate to JSON. Here, click the options and choose Edit. Here in Specifications, add the item name as Section. Choose Type as Collection. And add item as Title. Subtitle. Text. Index. Click Save. Now run the parse JSON separately. Click Aggregate to JSON to see the output from parse JSON and map them. Title, subtitle, text, section index. It specifies the order of the section. The next step would be parse JSON. Click on it. Now add the previous step to the JSON string. The next step would be array aggregator. Click on it. Choose the section and JSON string. The final step will be Prospero module, create a proposal. Now add the details such as proposal type, project name, client name, email ID. Choose any custom template proposal or leave it as empty. Under the new section, type map, array section. Here, you have to add the connection to your Prospero account. Enter your email and password of your Prospero account and click Save. Once it gets connected, click OK. Now run the scenario. You can go to your Prospero account and open the proposal to check if the new section and formatting is being added. You can see all the formatting options added. And there you have it. Thank you for watching and happy integrating.